In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix a sound problem on Windows 11. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, sound issues in Windows 11 are usually tied to mismatched output devices or frozen background audio services. Now, Windows often switches audio to a monitor or virtual driver after an update. So what you're going to do is click the speaker icon on your taskbar, and then you're going to see a lot of different things. So what we could go ahead and do firstly is troubleshoot any sound problems you're having. Just go ahead and click that and wait for the troubleshooting to, go ahead and start. If that doesn't work for you, however, what you could go ahead and do instead is right click and then open up sound settings like so. Firstly, make sure your output device is the one you want it to be. And also the same thing for input. Now, input is your microphone, so what you're going to be inputting. Output is what you're going to be hearing, so make sure both are basically correct. You can also go over to all sound devices and see everything as well. But what you can also do is go over to more sound settings, and it's going to open like this. So you want to have a default communication device or a playback device. And then for recording is going to be your microphone. As you can see, the levels are going up and down right now. And yeah, as for communications, you can just switch this to nothing. And yeah, then you should be good to go. There is really nothing else to it. And just make sure your input and output devices are correct, and then you'll be in a better spot. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. And also be sure to check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well, because there is a lot to go through and you might find something that you don't know about yet.